So I'm going to tell you about the 4 times I cried when I was in the hospital in chronological order. The first one was when I figured out that the catheter was not going to easily come out. I went into the bathroom to kind of collect myself and just started crying. Yeah, I mean, that one's pretty easy to understand. But that was the first time that I cried while I was in the hospital. The second time was after it finally came out. The nurses left and I just broke down. Those were both very cathartic, and like, this is the most intense thing I've ever gone through in my life. The next one was, um, well, I had tried to make a point of not being on the um, morphine and gone to sleep with no pain medication. And then when I woke up, like in the middle of the night, I was in intense pain. Um, and not like anything like, oh, I hurt right here, but just like everywhere, felt like I was on fire. And I thought I was in hell. And I thought my twin brother, who had been there, staying the night there to just to help me out, was a devil to torture me. And I politely told him after some negative exchanges that I didn't want him to stay there anymore. And when the morning came and Gramps showed up, Gramps and I had was taking pain pills by then, or taking the pain medications by then. Gramps said, "Michael, you have to let Jimmy stay. Gramps says so." And Gramps was just more sympathetic. Like, I could feel sympathy, but at the same time, I felt relieved. And I said, okay, and I just started crying because I was just hurting so bad. And then the last time was after the surgery, also. I don't know which one was first, between, or last, this one or the one with the pain medication. But the first time I looked at my scars, and I just felt so violated. Like, I was surprised by, I mean, I wasn't expecting to feel so strongly about it, but I don't remember getting those scars. And so when I just saw that, it's like something happened to me and I had no control over it. And I was just felt so powerless. Like, I just started crying with Jemuel and my other brother Cephas, who was there. So, those were the 4 times I cried. Twice with the catheter, one because of no pain meds, and once because I didn't know that happened. I didn't know how it happened. I mean, consciously I did, but there's this unconscious part of me that just did not know that, and it was horrible. All right, those are the 4 times I cried.